Quick stock market update, boy. I got hammered on the yang. Yeah, it's not gonna lie. So anyway, I'm still holding it. Sounds crazy. Like, why? I should have put a stop in. I just haven't been feeling well, and I'm trying to. Yeah, I know it's excuses, but I really should have. I just shouldn't be trading with it. But anyway, I've been doing so good. Well, I'm up overall. Last week has been awesome. I mean, returns are just incredible. So I can afford to get back. But put your stops in, because even I told you last night that we have an engulfing reversal. Is that true? I guess not. I was looking at the weekly. It's golfing reversal. We had a golfing reversal here. Not engulfing. Well, golfing reversal is when it actually switches the other direction. So that was just engulfing and going the same direction. So I wasn't very clear about that last night. Boy, now looking at that's not a good candle. I'm surprised we're here, because usually you'll have a doji, or is it a shooting star? Yeah, no. Yeah, well, the candle is upside down. See, I'm talking about this candle right here. My voice is awful, folks. Right there, that one. Usually it'll start here, sell off, and then bounce right back up and come all the way up. Not the other way around. Not down here, up and then down, because that means they sold it off. That is crazy. This market is insane. So the candle is even opposite to normal patterns. Nothing's perfect, even patterns. About 90% accurate. So anyway, so the yang is the reason I'm doing this FX side, because the yang is the opposite basically of that, right? But I don't have the great charts in here, so I can't really do a good thing for you. But we do have the MACD. So I'm going to take a little pain here, because we got a gap down here, 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 gap down here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gaps. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 gaps. Oh, come on, folks. And also, wait, we got an inverted head and shoulder. Let me pull this out. See if God. Yeah, there's the danger, though. We got what's inverted head and shoulder. I'll explain it to you later, because I'm at the doctor's office. See when I told you head and shoulder? This is the reverse of it. It'll come into here. So when you come into here, we need to be really careful, because now we have an inverted head and shoulder. That it can actually, it can skyrocket out of that. So what happens is the inverted head and shoulder. I'll show you quick, and then I get to run here. I'll do this, like this, and it'll pull back, and it'll launch. Just hammer you. But I told you the markets. Now here's the thing: is I told you a Black Friday and a Black Monday. It's like 92% of the time. It's astronomical numbers historically. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it tends to. Then when you get that, you have a really, really bad sell-off within a week time frame. Now, we don't usually have these around the holiday season, the Santa Claus rally. So my voice is so bad, sorry. So this is a little unusual. But you know what? It's okay. I'm going to hold that. And also, let's see, what else is going on here? The VIX is really crazy, too. Everything, this thing is lost its mind. Why I keep doing this? Sorry, folks. God, going back and forth. Let's see here. Yeah, let's close it all. Let's do this. Oh shoot, it won't be there. Darn it. Oh God, I'm gonna pause. All right, here we got the volatility index here, the VIX. I should have done full screen better for you, but anyway, it's good enough. All right, we still have that turning down. Wait, is this the VIX starting to turn down? Yeah, but still below. God, should have came up here further, up to the 0 line before it starts to roll over. So we probably should see this. It'll come back and get over the 0 line. It should be rolling over here at minimum up here. So I think what's going to happen is we got this pause. It'll probably tingle here and then come up. So that means we got a day or two more of up and down strange behavior. Maybe tomorrow's down and up and down or something like that. Because that is really, now that I see this VIX, this is insane. So God. And I actually got that long position of VIX too. I was gonna switch out of the yang. Sometimes I'll do that, I'll switch out when something's not working. But I like the VIX. You got 4 bars down. Yeah, tomorrow the market should be red. Not see. Yeah, usually I told you like 5 or 6 days down, but it's looking pretty good for a down day tomorrow. Let's see here. Well, let's see here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. We do not want it to break. They might try to double test that bottom. That's what concerned me. We had a double test, and then it won't hold. It'll bounce back up and come out through it. What is going on? Jeez. It was jumping on. All right. So there's the. Well, anyway. It's God. Well, anyway, you get the idea. That right there needs to be a double bottom right there, that candle. So anyway, we'll see what happens here. MACD, boy, that is weird. Yeah, but I mean, what'll probably tingle up here, what I mean is the purple come through there and kind of tingle and take another sharp climb up and then come through up here and level off. Because it really shouldn't be turning. Yeah, see, kind of, here's an example where it bounces and kind of plays around a little bit. Not seeing offhand here. But boy, see how everything's around the zero line? Everything usually stays around the zero line. Oh, there's one. See how it kind of plays? Kind of does this, and then it breaks it, and then retreats back up to the zero line. See, I did that. So it goes up to 25. I told you the 25 area is kind of what we're shooting for. To let go of that long position on there. So should have a little play around and then come up, and then this should be up around 25. Okay. Silver, yeah, still on that too. Darn it, I'm gonna have to let it go. I don't know what to do about silver. I do not know what to do. Remember I told you last night I was confused, and if you ever see me confused, then you better not follow my advice or do anything, because if I'm confused, I'm getting mixed readings, and that's what happened. I told you last night. I said I don't know what to do for my trades. I know what to take off, leave on, all this other stuff. Do have a gap there. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting because we got a heavy bar, which means they probably distribute on everybody, and that bar's inside that candle. So what some people do, some day traders, they'll come in and they'll put, you gotta be careful because they could dip through just to wash everybody out real quick. They'll come in, they'll put it keeps erasing. I'll push this. God, what the? You kidding me? I want you to think about something. Here at the eye doctor's office, did you know that a picture's worth 1,000 words, right? But what's interesting, you have to have it's a trinity. You have to have picture, mind, and thought. Okay? I'll do this while I'm here. My voice is shot. Hi, my friends. I'm going to be quiet because I'm in the optometrist's office, but anyway. You know that we talk about a picture is worth 1,000 words, right? It actually be a million. I'm not kidding you. One picture, they said 1,000 words. Well, and actually the original saying was actually different than that. It came from an artist. I looked it up one time. Well, actually 2 days ago. This is things we've got. Kirk's always investigating something. I was like, where's the origin of that? Is this something spiritual? What are they trying to tell us? Well, it was actually, it was written by a guy who was a painter or something. He said, but it's true. A picture's worth 1,000 words, right? My head's on this. But there's also more to the story. That you also, a picture can be confusing. For example, think of a great story. I was trying to think of a story that that everybody might know. Well, let's say Cat in the Hat, right? If Dr. Seuss hadn't put some words behind the Cat in the Hat, that picture, is there time to go?
So I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So you had an exam back in May. Did you want to do a new exam?
Well, here's the problem. My right eye went berserky on me, right? And so here's the issue. Where's my glasses? Oh, oh God, sorry. Anyway, so here's the issue. I know. See, it didn't last. That was the problem, and my script changed. So I want to, and that's the thing is I can't enjoy the Christmas lights. What? I was trying to watch the boats go by, right? And I'm from Colorado. We don't have things like this. I'm watching the boats go by. I'm like, what? That ain't right. I'm sitting there like a chameleon, right? And that's not funny. So anyway, so there's the issue that I need to have it, figure out what's going on with that right eye.
Okay. So is it just like everything blurry?
It's, well, up close it's fine. It's just the distance.